So how can you make your own focus mode on the iPhone? Let's get started. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So at first, you can open up your settings app and check out the focus mode section right away in here. So that's fine. You can get inside and you have a couple of focus modes ready, right? So you can already see a driving one most likely, or the personal or work related one. So you can tap on those and edit them, right? That is something you can do, but you also have the plus button in the top right, and you have the ability to create a brand new one, right? So it gives you even more categories, I don't know, like fitness or reading, whatever. Or you also have the custom focus mode, which is something you might be interested in. So when you click on custom, you don't know, or you choose it for some specific occasion, which is not part of the existing focus mode. So you need to give it a name. For example, it might be for sports or learning languages or whatever, right? So you can choose the color, the icon, and the name before you can proceed. So that is something which you can do. You can click on the next and you can see that you will have the ability to customize it further. So it kind of works similar to the all of the other focus modes, where you pick the allowed contacts and the notifications, or silence some specific people. So the actual setup is very similar, but the point is that you made your focus for another specific occasion. So that is going to be the separate one. So that's how it works. And if you ever decided that you no longer need it, at the bottom you have the delete focus mode button, and you can click on it and it will just be gone, right? So that is how it would work. I would really appreciate your feedback. If you manage to find it, let me know about it below in the comments. Hit the thumbs up as well, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos too.